So you've seen this before. This is our 4910 4x4 baler that we don't need anymore because we got the 3x4 baler. So Sam's has had it listed on Facebook Marketplace, and he got a very interesting message, and some people were wondering if he would be willing to trade some items for the baler. So we talked it over, went and looked at the things. So Sam is turning this baler into this 65 Mustang, but the guy who's getting the baler thought maybe that wasn't a good enough deal or a good enough incentive to really make him want to trade for the baler. So he also threw in this. So now Sam is the proud owner of a, I don't know what, YZ something dirt bike and a 65 Mustang, which he will fix up and probably sell, is our plan, I believe. So you'll probably see more of this on future videos when he is working on it and fixing it up. You may see this in future videos of I don't know what's happening, but it's kind of just, I don't know, a fun toy for him to go use to go check the ditch or start hand lines or something like that. But I had jokingly said that this could be our red paperclip moment when we trade our baler and turn it into a Mustang and a motorcycle, and what will we end up trading or turning these into? So it'll be fun to find out. Stay tuned. Is it supposed to pop like that?
Probably not, but it is far more runny-like than it was.
That's awesome.
Oh, found a joke.
Nice. I was gonna say, it sounds not horrible. It's digging a hole in the dirt. And now it won't stop running?
What if I turned it off? I
Oh.
don't think it would run.
Oh. Oh, it smells horrible.
What are you talking about?
I mean, it doesn't smell good. So, I thought it had a license plate on it, but I don't know
I
where
took it off.
Oh, Sam took it
He
off.
wanted it back.
Oh, he did? Oh, okay. So the tag on it, you said was 2018?
Mm-hmm.
So it had 7-year-old gas in it, which apparently these carburetor things don't like 7-year-old gas to just sit in them. So you got a carburetor rebuild kit, is that what it was? It cleaned everything out and put good new gas in it, and now you're just making some like timing adjustments, or?
No, just setting the idle up to where it's not trying to die.
Oh, okay. So that it'll actually idle and run?
That's the theory.
So at some point we might have to take this for a little test drive and see how it does.
And I'm wondering if, it's missing a little, or
Oh.
just not run for 7 years.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Be interesting to check its timing too.
Yeah.
Not to mention the whole plugs and everything.
Oh yeah, just give it an all-around tune-up kind of So I think right now our plan with the car is to, like we were talking about, kind of go through it, tune it up a little bit, make sure it runs good. Try not to put a whole lot of money into it necessarily, but I think we're gonna work on doing some of the body work and things, kind of use it as a practice for body work before we work on the Chevelle, and then either sell it or trade it for something else. So I'm sure you will see more about this in future videos. And if you have something that you think we need more than a 65 Mustang, let me know and maybe we can work out a deal. So Sam found a vacuum line that wasn't hooked up. So now that that's all hooked up, it runs a lot nicer and smoother. Oh, door. Okay, it's fine. Apparently these cars were not designed to be driven when you're wearing boots. He said there's barely enough room between the gas and the brake for his foot. And he needs to find a timing light, which I don't know what that is, but I don't know what a timing light is. Well, I figured it had something to do with the timing. I just don't know what it is, so I can't help you look for one. Yeah. There, it's gone. Yeah, that's awesome. Nope.
Because I think I looked for a timing light when I was, pick one to 10.
Oh.
Which it vaguely rings a bell that I either gave them all away or threw them away.
Oh, okay. Well, we got to go to town anyway to pick up my tire. This has super custom seat covers. So I don't know what we're doing now, but we're doing some stuff and we need a timing light, which apparently we don't have, so it doesn't matter that I don't know what it looks like because I can't help find it because it's not here. So we'll keep you posted.
Light with a clock.
It's a light with a clock. I can't wait to show you what that looks like because that sounds amazing. It's not really amazing, but it sounds amazing and I still can't wait to show it to you. So, oh, it's not really a light with a clock. I'm gonna be so disappointed when I actually see it. Okay, well, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.